Today, we'll be discussing SEO optimization for YouTube videos. Understanding how to optimize your videos for search engines can significantly impact your channel's success. The tool I use to optimize my YouTube videos is Taja.ai. Their software is synced with YouTube's algorithm and creates titles, descriptions, chapters, tags, and thumbnails. A link to Taja.ai is in the description. Let's dive into what SEO optimizing a YouTube video is, the benefits of a well-optimized video, and the best practices you should follow. SEO, or search engine optimization, involves tailoring elements of your video and its metadata to improve its visibility and ranking in search results. The result is making your video more discoverable by people searching for content like yours on YouTube and Google. A properly optimized video can lead to higher rankings in search results, increased visibility, and more organic traffic. This translates to more views, better engagement, and ultimately, growth for your channel. By optimizing your videos, you're making it easier for potential viewers to find and watch your content. Now, let's talk about the elements of SEO optimization that you have control over as a video creator. First, selecting a keyword is crucial. Choose a keyword that accurately represents your video's content, has a good search volume, and, ideally, low competition. Including accurate closed captions is another best practice. Closed captions not only make your video accessible to a wider audience, including those who are hearing impaired, but they also provide additional text for search engines to index. Many people view YouTube videos in a work environment. Adding a transcript to your video description is beneficial as well. A transcript allows viewers to read the content of your video, which can help with SEO by providing more text for search engines to crawl. Offering subtitles in multiple languages can expand your video's reach. By catering to a global audience, you increase the chances of your video being viewed by people who speak different languages. Writing a keyword-optimized title, description, and tags is essential. Your title should be engaging and include your main keyword. The description should be detailed and informative, with relevant keywords naturally integrated. Tags should be a mix of broad and specific keywords related to your video's content. Saying your target keyword in your video helps reinforce the topic of your video to search engines. When you mention the keyword naturally in your script, it signals to YouTube that your video is relevant to that term. A visually appealing thumbnail that accurately represents your content will attract more viewers and can significantly increase your click-through rate. Adding cards and end screens enhances viewer experience and engagement. Cards can link to related videos or playlists, while end screens can promote other content on your channel, increase your watch time, and encourage subscriptions. Focusing on user engagement is key. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. The more engagement your video receives, the higher it will rank in search results. Finally, tracking your analytics is essential for ongoing optimization. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your video's performance, viewer demographics, and engagement metrics. This data will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. In conclusion, SEO optimizing your YouTube videos is a powerful strategy to increase visibility, attract more viewers, and grow your channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and that will encourage us to make more videos on this topic. To view other videos like this that focus on tools to increase your online marketing results, click subscribe. To let us know your most pressing question about the topic of today's video, use the comment section below. We'll likely produce a video answering your question or post an article on our blog. The link to our blog is in the description.